Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about that how to handle delete request in Node.js HTTP module, right? So let's start the lecture. So before starting, what is this delete request? Well, from the name, you can guess that delete requests are used when the client want to remove something from the server, right? Like deleting the file, record, resource, anything. So here, as you can see, I have written some of the code for you. That is the basic syntax or the template where we are having this HTTP module, right? So we are importing it. After that, we are creating the server, as you can see here. And after that, we are making our server to listen at the port number 3000. And here's there some callback function, right? That's it. Now let's move forward to create first a file, which I'll show you that I'm going to delete it, right? So let me create sample.txt file, right? So with the help of the delete request, I want this particular file to get deleted. Okay, so now let's start. So here, as you can see, I am first going to start putting the condition. What will be that condition? The condition will be that the request from the client side, first of all, the request method should be post, and there should be a particular URL on which when the client will go, then this particular deletion task will happen, right? So what we will do, we will first write if inside of this we will write that request dot method, right? So request dot method triple equals to, and then delete, right? So and basically request dot url equals to uh, let's say delete file. Yeah, delete file. You can give whatever you want, right? So yeah. Now coming forward, let's give the file path name. So let's say that the file path, that is const file path equals to slash sample dot txt, right? So this is the file path. After that, we need to import the file system module also, because deleting a file from your system with the help of a request, basically it deleting anything from your own system needs a file system module, right? So that's why we need to import that. So we'll import const fs equals to require, and instead of this we are writing fs, right? So we are importing file system module with the help of require method into this fs variable. After that what we'll do, we will write fs dot, now for deleting a file, what we use unlink, right? Unlink. After that, what we will do, we will first give the file path. So similar, as you can see, I have already done it inside this particular variable. So I will write file path here. So yeah, after that we need to give a callback function, that is arrow function here, and inside of it I'm going to take a parameter, that is err. So in case any error occurred, then that will be catched inside this err. And if there is a err, means something error has been catched, in that particular case you do what, you send a message, a response, in which you say that the file has not found, or maybe that the file could not be deleted, this kind of message, right? So yeah, let's start. So basically, first of all, we will give the write head to tell the browser that we are sending a JSON data to you, right? So and status code is 404, that is file not found. The content type should be, since we are going to send the JSON, basically JSON data, in which we will say that the file is not found, right? So we'll write application slash JSON, like this. Got it? What happened? Okay, just a second. Yeah. After this, what we'll write? We will write response dot end, and inside of it, since we are sending a JSON, but we need to stringify that before sending to the browser, right? So JSON dot stringify, and inside of it, we are sending the JSON, that is error is file not found, or or maybe that could not be deleted, right? Could not be deleted. Yeah, something like this. So this is the this logic is for basically in case that you are getting a error. Else, let's put else here, that if the success is occurred, right, no error is caught and the file is successfully deleted, in that particular case I want to send a message that is file is deleted successfully. So in that also we will do the same thing. Let's just copy it and paste it here. This time the status code will be 200, sorry, 200, and the content type will be same JSON, and response.end is json.stringify. This time not error, we are sending a message, right? So put the message here, and after putting the message, the file not found, this is not, let's move it and we will write file deleted successfully, like this, right? So this is the complete logic. If you are going to this particular method and requesting this particular URL, and let's put the else case for this also, that is else. And in the else we will do what, we will again just copy it down, paste it here, and like this time the content should be what, first of all, since you are not get going to that particular URL, and if you are trying to delete method, then in this case there should be a content type that is text slash plain, like this. And inside the message, we are not going to send this time any JSON data, right? So we are just going to say that the route not found, like this. Got it? Now everything is perfect. We have done it, the code part, I guess, in the correct way. Let's see, let's try it out. So let's go to the terminal. Let's close the previous. After that, let me clear it. After that we will write node script.js, press enter, and yes, our server has started at the port number 3000. Let's go to the postman. So we are on the postman now. Here first of all we will change this method to the delete, and we will check with the URL, that is HTTP localhost 3000 slash, and which URL we have taken, we have taken this delete file, right? So let's copy it and paste it here. So this is the complete URL. Let's try to run it and send it. Let's see that whether our this sample.txt file is getting deleted or not, right? So let me start, and yeah, the file is successfully deleted. As you can see, the message is here, and let's check, and you can see the sample.txt file is not present now. It is successfully deleted. So this is how we can delete a file using the HTTP module and the delete request in Node.js. I hope you understood the concept very clearly. If you do, then make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.